Are you a vegetarian looking for a high protein recipe to cook today? If the answer is yes, then you are in luck. Try out this delicious and quick Kala Chana Paneer curry that has over 25 grams of protein. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another recipe video. I don't know why I'm so pumped but feeling high on energy all day today, and I'm telling you, you will feel the same way after trying this recipe out. So without wasting any more time, if you are ready, let's go ahead, like the video first, subscribe to your boy for many more such low-calorie Indian recipes, meal plans, fitness tips, so on and so forth, and also hit that bell button right next to it. And with that being said, let's jump into my kitchen. To start off, soak 200 grams of black chickpeas, aka Kala Chana, for a couple of hours. Then in a pressure cooker, add the soaked chana, 3 to 3.5 cups of water, and half teaspoon of salt, and cook for about 5 to 6 whistles. A good way to check if the chickpeas are done is to press them against your fingers, and if they are soft, then you should be good. If not, I would cook them for about 2 more whistles. Next, it's time to cook the paneer. So to a pan on medium flame, coat some cooking spray and throw in 225 grams of cubed paneer. Once the paneer is well cooked, set them aside. So now we have the chickpeas and the paneer cooked. It's now time to bring them together. So to a pan on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of either oil or ghee, along with 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, cinnamon, and a bay leaf. Once the seeds start to crackle, add 1 medium onion along with 1 to 2 green chilies. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes, and then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Continue sauteing until the onions turn golden brown, and then add 2 medium tomatoes along with half teaspoon of salt. As the tomatoes start becoming soft, let's add the following spices: 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Once the spices are well blended in, let's go ahead and add the black chickpeas with its water along with the paneer, and give it all a good mix, guys. Keep going. You really want to fuse the chickpeas and the paneer with all the spices. Finally, add half teaspoon of Garam Masala. Give it a few more stirs, and there you have it. Feel free to top it off with some coriander leaves. I was out of it, so I didn't. But yeah, there you go. Your low-calorie, high-protein Kala Chana Paneer curry is all set. It tastes so good. You can have it just like that, or you can have it with rice or roti. Moving on to the calories. If you divide this entire recipe into 4 servings, then each serving is about 420 calories, of which 35 grams are carbs, 20 grams are fat, and 26 grams are protein. Black chickpeas, guys, is really good for you. It is packed with nutrients, it's packed with minerals, it is rich in iron, it is high in protein, high in fiber, and we all know paneer is a great source of protein as well. And holistically speaking, you are getting good amounts of carbs, good amounts of fat, and also good amounts of protein through this recipe. So do give this recipe a try, guys. And with that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.